placing fractions on number lines. Again, number lines are used quite a bit on the test. They are used to show distance, like measuring tape. Let's look at these. You'll notice that you have these fractions, and you'll see that these are decimals. Remember, fractions and decimals are the same. Now, if I asked you to look at this, I'd say, well, where would this go? Now, you can call that many things, but normally I'd tell students to remember that's a division problem. Always remember that that's division. That's 1 divided by 2. And 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. So if I take 1 and divide it by 2, I get the answer 0.5. Now, look down at the number line. Do you see 0.5? I do. 0.5 is right there. So this, I would say, well, where does 1 divided by 2 go? Or half. You would say 1 divided by 2 goes right here because it is worth 0.5, and that puts it right there on that spot. Let's try again. What about 2 divided by 5? Well, 2 divided by 5 gives me the number 0.4. Well, 0.4 is actually located right there. 2 divided by 5 goes right here. Now, these are the ones that are a little tricky. What about 1 divided by 3? Well, 1 divided by 3 is going to give me 0.3 repeating. Remember that? But remember, that's 0.3 with another 3, and then another 3. So you wouldn't say, well, Varen, 1 divided by 3 goes right here. And I'd say, incorrect. Because it is not 0.3. This is 0.3, 0.30, 30 cents. This is not 30 cents. That's actually 33 cents, 33 cents. And this is 40 cents. So you'd say, well, it goes between them. And I'd say, yeah, kind of. But does it go immediately between them? And the answer is going to be no. Because immediately between 30 cents and 40 cents, right in the middle of them, is 35 cents. So you wouldn't say that 1/3 goes right in between. You would have to say, oh, okay, it's going to go to a little to the left of 35 cents, but kind of in the middle between them. Is that fair? And I'd say, okay, that's better. That's better that 1/3 goes right in between there. That's a better location.